Well, we have a special holiday coming up. Do you know what it is?
Yes! Halloween!
That's right, so today we will be making a super cool Halloween sensory bag. Are you ready?
Yes! Let's go!
For this amazing sensory bag, you will need one zip seal bag, a roll of cotton wool, some hair gel or sanitizer, some water, and markers. Boo! Let's get started. Step 1. Draw and color any Halloween-themed character on the zip seal bag. Step 2. Now add a little hair gel or sanitizer and 1 tablespoon of water into the bag and seal it. Did you know that the traditional colors of Halloween are black and orange? Step 3. Make balls from the cotton wool and place them into the zip seal bag. Sensory play has an important role in the development of kids. Now you can have fun pushing the cotton wool in the shape of your Halloween character. What's your favorite Halloween character? Let us know in the comments below.
Wow! I love this Halloween bag! It's so cool!
And it's a great way to keep busy and stay out of trouble this Halloween. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos with us. See you all next time. Goodbye.